Hi, we're currently in Rustica Friendship Branch as we are having this pork binagoongan and beef yang chow rice. As we just unpack this Godox TT520 Mark II. And here it is, the Godox. How do you pronounce it? Godox
Godox.
TT520 Mark II. So beside me is Sunny Palima. Say hi.
Hi po.
Ayun. So medyo taglish tayo ngayon.
Taglish.
Bali sponsored to by our by Sunny Palima. By the way, you can check his FB or shall we say YouTube, which is
Sunny Creatives.
all right. So let's proceed with the item, and yeah, can you explain to us or show us the features of the flash, external flash?
Okay guys, ito po yung external flash natin. Tagalog muna tayo. Binili ko po siya. Nasa 1.7 po yung halaga niya. May kasama na po siyang flash diffuser.
Care of One Gadget.
Po. Nabili ko po siya sa One Gadget Shop. Lazada po. Bali guys, ito free na to. And may kasama na rin siyang trigger. Ito yung channel niya. So guys, bago natin gamitin ito, dapat matanggal muna natin to para mag-contact yung battery sa trigger para gumana siya. Yan.
Okay.
So guys, ito yung flash Godox TT520 Mark II. Ito nga, may kasama na siyang flash stand. So ito guys, pwede nyong i-mount sa light stand. I-screw nyo sa doon, tapos lagay nyo yung flash nyo.
Ayos.
So ito guys, makita nyo yung sa buttons na
So
on, off.
yun nga no. Meron siyang ito yung channel nung para sa trigger. Tama ba?
Ito.
So dapat parehas sila ng channel para makapag-communicate yung trigger mo sa flash. And I think if you have more than one of this model, if as long as you have the same channel, just on one trigger, it can like trigger or flash all other external flashes or same model as long as they are on the same channel. So ulitin ko, as long as parehas ang channel nila, possible na yung sa isang trigger makokontrol mo ang lahat ng external flash mo.
So guys, try na natin. Ito yung battery door na.
Right. So as we can see, 4 na AA ang kailangan niya.
So guys, gagamit tayo ng envelope. AA battery. Iglagay tayo ng 4. Sundan lang natin yung plus at negative sign. So guys, ito yung on and off niya, button. Switch pala.
Ayun.
Yan.
Nice. Okay. So
ito guys, ito yung manual. S1, slave 1 and slave 2. Para sa trigger tong dalawang to. So hintayin nyo munang mag-red siya bago nyo magamit.
Okay. Yan yung parang
Tapos,
parang ready na.
Ito sa test, kung gusto nyo siyang i-try kung gumagana nga ba yung flash. Pagdating naman dito, ito yung pag-add ng power ng flash. Yan. Depende kasi sa dilim ng location or liwanag, kailangan nyo siyang itimpla.
Okay.
Kung gaano kalakas yung gagamitin nyo na ilaw para sa flash.
Well, I might as well put it on the comment section or on the description if this device or this flash can like do a auto adjustment on the on the power of the flash. But so far, it seems to be manual, all manual.
All manual.
And going to the front, I just noticed that I think this one is it capable like for optical autofocus?
Hindi pa po, sir.
Yeah, I'm just thinking because I'm seeing this red plastic here. Baka yun, pwede siyang mag
Light beam?
Oo.
Hindi naman, sir.
Okay. Ayun. So, ayun, in regards to the controls, so ito yung plus minus for the power of the flash. And not sure why do we have this mode wireless. Any idea? Or
Wala pa
maybe baka ano lang para lang matrig kung gusto mo gamitin yung trigger or hindi no.
Or hindi ito. Ay,
Hindi.
yung button.
Hindi, mode lang siya pero
May button para sa ano, parang antenna or parang signal, no?
So, anyhow, since tinurn on na natin to, try lang natin yung trigger. So, we have like parang naka-channel 0 ba? All up. Tsaka along this one, all up. Let's see.
All up, sir.
Tapos ito, all up siya. So, lagay ko lang siya rito. Or, paano ba to i-bend? Paano pala siya i-bend? Ano lang ba? May pinapress ba tayo?
Wala mang kailangan i-press. Ganyan lang.
Twist lang talaga. Ay, ano lang talaga, no? Bend na lang talaga ng diretso. No?
Brand.
Okay.
Tapos pwede siyang i-ganyan. Yan.
Okay. Pwede siyang i-turn and bend. Okay. Ayun. So, ano yun lang natin siya ng pababa para hindi mabulag yung mga ibang tao dito sa ano. And, yan. Pakita mo na magpa-fire siya.
May hinaba po. Hinaan natin.
Ha?
Hinaan pa natin. Yan.
Ayan. Ayun. Nag-trigger naman siya. Ayun. So,
yung trigger niya.
So confirmed. So yun nga, pag iniba ko yung channel dito, yung dito, kung iniba ko to or yun, hindi sila magkaparehas ng channel, hindi niya makokontrol itong external, itong flash na ito. So take note of that regarding the channel. You have to have them set as the same. Alright. So I think for now, yun yung kaya naming i-demo dito sa device. If you have any questions regarding the product, you can comment down on our video. And we will also put our latest reviews regarding the product on the description. And I guess that's it for now. So, again, lagay ko lang ito. Possible thumbnail ulit. So, again, this is Mike and
Sunny.
Sunny, baka gusto mo mag-insert ng social media pages mo if you want the viewers to like and follow.
So guys, kung gusto nyo lang po mag-subscribe sa aking channel, YouTube channel, Sunny Creatives. More on art channel siya. Art and crafts channel.
Ay, yung photography
Sa photography pala, sa Facebook page, Sunny pala yung mga photography.
Ayun.
Kung gusto nyo lang magpabook.
Yun. So, uulitin ko. Pag bumalik kayo sa One Gadget, may libre kayong diffuser. Hindi namin nasama sa unboxing or sa unpacking namin. Meron pa lang kasama ito sa labas ng box. Alright. Again, that's it. Thank you for watching. And till our next unpacking.